This is going to be a make money online tutorial specifically with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you exactly step by step what you need to do in order to make your first affiliate marketing commission. But first, let me explain you what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money online by promoting other people's products. You don't need to create your own product, buy inventory, or ship anything. You just need to send traffic to your affiliate offer, and if someone buys through your affiliate link, you can make a commission. The first step is to choose your niche, and there are 3 massive niches: health, make money online, and relationship. For this video, I'm going to choose the make money online niche. And the second step is to find a product to promote, and I'm going to use the ClickBank marketplace. You can create a free account and go to the marketplace, and I'm going to click on e-business and e-marketing. And I'm going to choose live chat jobs. It's important that you do your own research about the product you are going to promote. This is only an example to show you the strategy that you can use to promote any product in any niche. Remember that it's important to promote products that gives value to other people. The headline of the sales page is Find Your Perfect Online Job. Step number 3 is to create a landing page to collect leads. And I'm going to use 2 software to do that task: GetResponse and ClickFunnels. GetResponse is an email marketing software. I use it for email marketing and marketing automations. And ClickFunnels is a funnel building software. So we're going to go to GetResponse and we're going to click on contacts and then create a new list. We're going to name the list Live Chat Leads and create. Then we're going to go to ClickFunnels and we're going to build a new funnel. I'm going to select collect emails and I'm going to name it live chat funnel. Then I'm going to click on build funnel. This funnel has 2 steps: the opt-in and the thank you page. And I'm going to select this template. I'm going to click on edit page. I have already my landing page and I'm going to click on save. Then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this button and I'm going to set an action. I'm going to choose go to website URL. I'm going to go to ClickBank and I'm going to get my affiliate link. You need to click here, create hub link. And I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to click on settings and integrations. Because what I need to do is that when people put their information, I need to collect the name and the email address in my GetResponse account. I'm going to click on GetResponse integration. In action, I'm going to click on add to campaign. And then I'm going to select the list live chat leads. And as you can see in the screen, right now ClickFunnels is connected with GetResponse. Then I'm going to click on save. Then I'm going to go to ClickBank again and click on affiliate page. I'm going to scroll down because they have these email swipes to do the follow-up. So I'm going to click on the first one and I'm going to use these emails to promote the product. So I'm going to go to GetResponse, click on tools and then automation. And I'm going to build a new workflow. I'm going to choose build from scratch. The first step is going to be subscribing to any list via any method. And I'm going to choose select the list specific, select the list live chat leads. The subscription method is going to be any method. And when someone subscribes to this list, GetResponse is going to send a message. So I'm going to click on create a new message. This is going to be the email promo 1 and I'm going to choose my email address. Then in the subject line, I'm going to copy this one and paste it here. Then I'm going to design the message. I'm going to copy the email and I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to copy my affiliate link and I'm going to paste my affiliate link inside of the email. When people click here, complete your application, they will go to my affiliate offer. I'm going to click on next and then save and finish. Then what I can do is that I can drag and drop this command. So GetResponse wait for 1 day and GetResponse is going to send the second message. And I can repeat the same process for the 20 emails. Then I'm going to click on save and publish. I have built the 24/7 sales system. The next step is to work on the traffic strategies. If I scroll down the affiliate page, they have a suggested keyword list. They have also the demographics. The target audience is female, age 35 and up. And they have the contracts as well that I can target. So I'm going to create a Google Ads campaign to drive traffic to my system. I'm going to click on website traffic. I'm going to choose the search campaign type. I'm going to copy the link of my landing page and paste it here. I'm going to choose clicks in the bidden type. Then I'm going to click on next. I'm going to uncheck the display network. And I'm going to run the ads to these countries: Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, and United States. Then I'm going to click on location options. And I'm going to choose this one: people in or regularly in your targeted locations. The language is going to be English. Then I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to go to the affiliate page and I'm going to copy these keywords. And I'm going to paste it here. Then you need to write your headlines and at least 2 descriptions. And if you want, you can add images, the business name, business logo, site links, or callouts. Then I'm going to click on next. Then you need to choose your budget. You can click on set custom budget and right here your budget. Then I'm going to click on next. And the last step is to publish the campaign. Now, if you don't have a budget to run Google Ads, you can check this video: 3 proven ways to get traffic to your affiliate links, in which you learn free traffic strategies to drive traffic to your 24/7 sales system or your sales funnel. And if you want to learn the system that is helping me to make commissions with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.